AMT sequencer. New math functions have been added to the calculated assessment. By opening saved files with ramp assessment, the ACT column is displayed correctly. New fields have been created in calculations. In previous versions, these fields were located in the Setting tab of the Signal View window. Current transformer. Tab number and core number columns in the report section of the winding resistance, ratio with voltage, and ratio with current are displayed correctly. Capacitor voltage transformer. In the secondary burden section, problems concerning reports have been fixed.